Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then click the red colored subscribe button and then press the bell icon to get the latest update of our new videos directly to your inbox. Friends, see, this is automatic shoe shiner and there is three options. One is brown for brown shoes and cream and black for black shoes. Both the upper and lower sides of brushes. This is for the bottom side, for upper side, different color, and there is sensor. Inbuilt sensors is there so that it can detect your foots and starts shining your shoes. Let's see. See, it starts automatically. And it can switch off automatically. Let's wait and watch to switch off. See, let's shut down, switch off automatically.